guys, so this is a review for WORX drill. Here's the box, you can see it. There's a full description of my review on the video description, so you can read anything that you can't clearly see here. So this drill comes with two batteries, which is handy because you could be using one and you can put one on charge. It comes with a charger, which is pretty easy to fit, and you just put it on charge, and it will tell you when the battery is charging, and it will indicate, it will go green when the battery has charged. Let's just release that. Just put that here. It also comes with a drill bit, so that's one standard bit that you can use for screwing things in, and and the actual drill. You also get a manual if there's anything you want to read, and some safety and operational instructions as well. So it could be handy if it's your first time and you're not sure how to use it. So let me start by just putting the bit in. So you can see there, you can see it working. When you're drilling, it will have a light, which is really handy because you can see where you're drilling. It has 15+1 settings, torque settings, so you can just adjust them by simply just moving them left or right, depending on how much power you want. And it also has 2 speed settings. So I'm on setting 1, so you can see how fast it is. If I set it to 2, you can notice it being a bit slower. And this gives you more control, which is useful when you're trying to do something delicate, or you're just trying to get the first hole into your wood or metal, for example, item. So I'm going to just keep it on the full one, and I'm just going to put this bit in. So I think what I'm going to do is I'll do a demo. So I've got a piece of wood here. I think it's about 20 millimeters thick, and I've got various different screws. I've got various different screws in different sizes. So I'll start with the smallest one, and then I'll work my way up. Just check it fits. Yeah. So if I just put my bit in. In. You can also use the side button to reverse. It allows you to screw clockwise and anti-clockwise, so that's useful if you want to unscrew something that you screwed, or you might have a unit you want to just unscrew, so you can just use the anti-clockwise. So I'm going to try to do the first one, just to show you the range of power. So if I just put this here. Gonna go on a slow setting. Got there in the end, so that's the first one. So obviously it depends on what type of screw you're using, and I'm not using any particular types that are especially for wood. So I didn't make a hole there at the beginning, which is why I had a bit of trouble there. So that's the second one. So you can see how quickly that went in. Whoops, lost a few pieces there. So I'm going to try this one. See, that's gone in pretty easy. There you go, it would have gone in. Now I'm just going to use the reverse to take it out. So you can see how easy that was. So I'm going to do the second, I'm going to do this one. I might just make a hole in it first. Just just so it has somewhere to go to. Let's see if that works. Okay, so that's in now. So I'm going to go to speed setting 1 to make it more powerful. And let's see if that. So that kind of went, but it wouldn't, it's not going through, and I think it's because of the quality of the screw. And it might also be the actual grooves. Yeah. So the grooves aren't that good for that one, so I'm going to leave that one. And I'm going to do this particular long one. So again, I'm going to go to speed setting 2, and I'll make a hole. So I have somewhere to go. So now that it's in, I can go to speed setting 1, so I get more power. And if I just... So that's kind of gone through. I can do a bit more. You can see that's gone through now. If I unscrew it, I'll unscrew this one as well. So there you go. It's a pretty good drill. I think it's perfect for everyday use. It's not going to do big jobs, like big professional jobs, but for everyday home DIY, it's perfect. I'm going to unscrew these two as well. So I've set it to anti-clockwise, which is this button here. Clockwise is that way, so I'm just going to put that in. See if that works. Might just change this around. See that come out. You can see that come out as well. So very easy to use. The battery lasts pretty long. I think it takes about 3 hours to charge a battery. And because you get 2 batteries, it means you can put one on charge while you're using the other one. And it means it doesn't stop you, it doesn't delay you from doing your work, from doing your DIY job, and having to wait for the battery to charge. Great, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like the video. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please comment. Please leave a comment on the video. I'll leave a full description of all the items in the video itself. Thank you for watching.